How to add shadow to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. If I right click here and I select new item and then black video, click on OK. Now I grab this video, drag it and move this ray here and put this here. And now I can select the video, double click and just move this like this. And now I go to effects here, and if you don't have effects here, go to window and or click on effects now right over here to enable this tab. And now here write shadow. All right, and here we have radiant shadow. Grab this and drag it onto your video, and now we can select a different shadow if you want to. All right, and if you can't see effects control, make sure you go to window and click on effects control. All right, now here we have to increase the opacity if you want to. We have to change the direction, the softness, the light source. You can do a bunch of things. Shadow only, resize a layer. Here you can hold Alt Control if you want this to decrease, to increase, to be really slow or really fast. Here you can also glass age or not. Hold shift, projection distance, opacity. Anyways, you can do it from there. Also, you can add perspective or drop shadow to your video again. And by the way, here in radio shadow, I like to add this to 100%. And here which is softness. I'll decrease softness and projection distance. I'll move this around here, and now I will click on light source and I'll move this right over here, right? And now I'll just increase projection, and now I can actually add the frame, right? And now from drop shadow, which is pretty cool, just increase the opacity, direction, distance, and softness. And from here now, we just have to play with direction, as I said, distance, and with softness, of course. And